In this video, I'll show you how to fix no sound problem on Xiaomi Redmi phone. So if you're experiencing the no sound problem for everything on any Xiaomi Redmi device, then here's how you can fix the problem. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, before you do anything, swipe down for the very top and turn off the Bluetooth from here, and then swipe down again and be sure to turn off the do not disturb mode. And once you do that, the very next thing that you have to do, open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration, and here we get the adjust volume, and make sure the media, ringtone and alarm volume should be to the high. And once you do that, just get back from here and restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But let's say you did everything but you still have the same problem, then here's the last guide that you guys can follow. Open up the settings app from your phone again and then scroll down to the apps section and then tap on manage apps and then tap on this three dot line at the top right and tap on other settings. And inside this one, tap on reset app preferences and then tap on reset app preferences. Now just get back from here and restart your phone once again. I hope one of this process will fix the no sound problem on a Xiaomi Redmi phone. Hope you find it pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.